My name is Chase Holm, and as Director of Global Operations, I have been here to help you along your path. And one of the announcements that we heard here at the Shine event that really caught my eye was the rank enhancements. Let's take another look at it. As we progress, some days can be harder than others. It just feels like sometimes we all need a little help. And that is exactly what we're here to do. At 4Life, we're here to help you shine. The Life Rewards plan that many of you know and love has been given some enhancements to help you improve your chance for success. It's important to remember that qualifying for these ranks has not changed in any way. The generational payouts haven't changed either. What that means is that with all your efforts to qualify as Diamond this month, we'll still get you to Diamond next month. We have actually introduced 7 new ranks to the original 7. Each of these new ranks will allow you to shine like never before and be rewarded for it. Just look at the possibilities. Let's shine a light on these enhancements and see how they work. As you can see, none of the associate or builder requirements have changed. For both, you will need 100 PV, which is needed to achieve any of the 4Life ranks we will discuss today. Enrollees are also an essential part of qualifying at each of the ranks shown today. 1 enrollee to be associate, and 3 enrollees with 100 PV each would then make you builder. Now, as builder, if you achieve 1000 LP in your 3 levels, you will then be recognized as the new rank of Builder Elite. Congratulations! 1000 LP is a great achievement, and we want to recognize you for it. And now you're only 1 step closer to the rank of Diamond. So, at each of these ranks, you can also earn instant discounts, rapid rewards, and even My Shop commissions. More information on these can be found on our website, 4life.com. Let's take a look at the next step. As you can see, the Diamond qualifications are the same as always. You still need your 100 PV and your 6 enrollees. But as Diamond, if you increase your 3-level volume from 3000 to 5000 LP and help 2 of your legs achieve the rank of Builder Elite, you would then be recognized as the new rank of Diamond Elite. And now you can start earning 8% on your 4th generation instead of 6%. And as you already know, the 4th generation is where you start earning infinity payout. Now you are halfway to achieving the rank of Presidential. By doubling your 3-level volume, enrolling 2 more people, and helping 2 legs to achieve the Diamond rank, and voila! You would have reached the Presidential rank, which opens up additional ways to earn in your downline. Okay, is everyone with me so far? We have already introduced some cool new changes, and we're not even halfway through. Let's keep going. Next up is the rank of International. As you can see, the qualifications have not changed in any way, but we have upgraded the name to be Bronze. As Bronze, you still need your 10 enrollees and 20,000 LP in your first 3 levels. But to go from Bronze to our new rank of Bronze Elite, you would need to add a 3rd leg of Presidential to the 2 that you already had as Bronze. Add in 50,000 LP in your organization, and you just achieved Bronze Elite. That is an amazing achievement, and now you'll be recognized for it. From here on out, we're going to go ahead and build upon this base of 3 legs and organizational volume. There may be slight changes in enrollees as we go forward, but we're going to focus more on this volume change and these leg changes. Reaching the rank of Bronze Elite will bring you closer to the next new rank of Silver. To achieve the Silver rank, your 3 legs would need to progress to Bronze, and your organizational volume would also double to 100,000 LP. That's it. You are now Silver. And can you guess what the next rank is going to be? You got it, Silver Elite. Another new rank. Another new way for 4Life to recognize you for your efforts. To go from Silver to Silver Elite, just maintain your other requirements while growing your organizational volume from 100,000 to 175,000 LP. It is as simple as that. Seriously, no joke. Silver and Silver Elite share the same basic requirements. Just focus on growing your organizational volume. As you can see, each rank is a building block to the next and an essential step on the path. We want to do everything we can to help you move forward and succeed. At Silver Elite, you shine more than ever. But we know you want more. Our next stop is Gold and our new rank of Gold Elite. We all know how much you love Gold, and now we have Gold Elite to help you achieve even newer heights. The PV, enrollees, and 3-level LP do not change going from Gold to Gold Elite. As Gold, grow your organizational volume from 250,000 to 500,000 LP, and help your 3 legs grow from Bronze to Silver. That's all you need to do. At these ranks, you really get to enjoy much of what 4Life has to offer. This has been exciting, right? Whether you plan to climb these steps yourself or help your team members succeed, this is important information for every one of us watching today. There are so many opportunities to be recognized and earn along the way. And don't forget, this information is available online. We aren't done yet. Wait till you see what's next. Platinum and our highest new rank, Platinum Elite. Yes, you heard me right. 4Life now has a new highest rank, and that is Platinum Elite. Once again, no changes to the PV, enrollees, or 3-level volume from Platinum to Platinum Elite. But as Platinum, you can focus on growing your organizational volume from 1 million to 2 million LP and help your 3 gold legs achieve Gold Elite. Doing this, you have now reached the summit and are shining brighter than ever before. As you progress in your 4Life journey, each of these new ranks will allow you to shine in new ways and be recognized for your efforts, because we believe in celebrating your victories. You can enjoy additional generations, infinity payout, bonuses, trips, and many other opportunities in various steps along your personal path. Don't worry if you didn't remember everything along our journey. Let's take a quick recap of the path. And remember, you can rewatch this video, or even better, share it. Okay, let's recap. First step, just enroll one person. Enrolling one person will let you rank at the rank of Associate. As Associate, you can earn on up to 2 levels in your downline. From there, go ahead and qualify at the rank of Builder. And as Builder, you can qualify to receive payment on up to 3 levels. Now, as a Builder, if you'd like to earn a little extra cash, you can help your 3 frontline to enroll in the loyalty program with their 100 PV and obtain 600 LP in team volume, and this will allow you to earn our Builder bonus level 1. Next, qualify for our first new rank of Builder Elite, and you can continue to earn your level 1 Builder bonus as well as earn on that additional volume that you brought in. Continue to teach your 3 frontlines to earn their own Builder bonus level 1, and you can start to earn a Builder bonus level 2. Now, you've more than doubled your earnings in Builder bonus. Now, qualify for the rank of Diamond to have the chance to tap into that infinity payout on that 4th generation. Next up, qualify for the rank of Diamond Elite, and now you can start earning that 8% on your 4th generation instead of 6%. And don't forget, that's where your infinity payout starts. And as Diamond Elite, teach your 3 frontlines to qualify for their level 2 Builder bonus, and you can start to earn your level 3 Builder bonus. As you can see, as they progress, you too progress. Once you're earning this level 3 Builder bonus, you can easily step over into the rank of Presidential. Presidential will allow you to earn on 2 additional generations in your downline for a total of 6 generations or levels in your downline. As you can see, Each rank is a step to the next rank with new goals and unique achievements. Now, maintain your presidential rank at least 2 more times in the next 5 months, and you can go on one of our exclusive and exciting Great Escape trips. Let me tell you, 4Life really knows how to travel. You really don't want to miss this. That was a recap of our basic ranks from associate through presidential. And now let's get into some of our more elite ranks. As you progress to bronze, bronze elite, silver, and silver elite, you will enjoy new possibilities in payout of up to 8 generations, and 5 of those generations are eligible for infinity payout. Add in Premier Pool bonuses and Great Escape trip opportunities for each and every one of these new ranks. And don't forget, that Silver Elite trip can be earned every year. And 4Life keeps on giving. As you qualify for the Gold, Gold Elite, Platinum, and Platinum Elite ranks, you can be paid on up to 10 generations of payout. 7 of these 10 generations are eligible for infinity payout. Add in additional bonus pools, trips, and you can even qualify for our exclusive President's Club to enjoy even more luxurious trips and rewards. I can't wait to see each of you shine. I'll see you at the top.